This is the JLWAS Emergency Weather Center. A severe weather notification has been issued for your area. Please pay close attention to the details of the following message.
Freeze warning now in effect from 11 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday. What? Sub-freezing temperatures as low as the mid-20s expected, and near or sub-freezing temperatures expected. Where? Portions of east central, northeast, and southeast Oklahoma and northwest and west central Arkansas and in Lawrence, Jackson, White, Garland, Saline, Pulaski, Lonoke, Clark and Hot Spring Grant counties. When? From 11 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday. Impacts. These conditions will kill plants and other tender vegetation that are left outdoors or unprotected. Freeze warning remains in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday. What? Sub-freezing temperatures as low as 23 expected. Where? Portions of southeast Kansas and central, east central, south central, southwest, and west central Missouri. When? From 9 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. CDT Wednesday.
The regional forecast.
Impacts. Frost and freeze conditions will kill crops, other sensitive vegetation and possibly damage unprotected outdoor plumbing.
Regional conditions.
Precautionary preparedness actions. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold. To prevent freezing and possible bursting of outdoor water pipes, they should be wrapped, drained, or allowed to drip slowly. Those that have in-ground sprinkler systems should drain them and cover above-ground pipes to protect them from freezing.
The current conditions.